Are you upgrading your bathroom? Here are VIGO's top shower enclosures for a clean, modern, high-end look. The VIGO Winslow frameless sliding shower door is one of VIGO's most popular designs, featuring smooth sliding operation, frameless clear glass, and premium stainless steel hardware. The VIGO Elan E-Class frameless sliding shower door brings a sleek, elevated look with smooth gliding movement and a more custom-inspired feel for modern remodels. Its refined frameless design pairs beautifully with modern fixtures, creating a shower space that feels clean, open, and high-end. For corner layouts, the VIGO Gemini frameless neo-angle shower enclosure helps maximize space while keeping the bathroom open, bright, and stylish. The VIGO Piedmont is a smart option for smaller bathrooms, offering a compact neo-angle shape with a polished, spa-like look. And the VIGO Verona brings a bold, upscale feel with clear glass panels that showcase your tile work and fixtures. From sliding doors to corner enclosures, VIGO helps turn everyday bathrooms into modern, spa-inspired spaces.